Hi, so I know it's early in the season, but I've been doing some canning today. And one of the things I'm canning is some banana peppers because I am almost out. And these are one of my favorite things ever. And I was lucky enough to stumble across some banana peppers. So I just have 4 peppers. We're doing this small batch, and this is just a little over half of a pound. The tip that I like to do is to roll my banana peppers and help break up all those membranes and seeds. And then I use my boning knife, go around, and then easily out comes the seeds. Now cut these into the size rings that you like. And now you can see with just 4 peppers, you get 2 jars of banana peppers. Super easy, quick brine. 1 cup water, 2 cups apple cider vinegar, and yes, you can use white vinegar. 1/4 cup cane sugar. And for my pickling spices, I have a half a teaspoon mustard seeds, a half a teaspoon celery seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now I like to add the turmeric because of its health benefits, but it gives it that nice pretty color that we all kind of know and associate with banana peppers. Just be careful when you're buying banana peppers from the store. Read the label. A lot of them use yellow dye instead of turmeric, but there are ones that do use turmeric, so just have a peek and make sure you're getting a brand that uses turmeric instead of the yellow dyes. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to let it boil about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I also like to add a smashed clove of garlic into each jar. And next we're going to pour that hot brine over our peppers. Take something to run along the edges, and this helps break up those air bubbles. And that way you can add more brine. Now you're going to want to let these come to room temperature before you put a lid on them. And then you're going to store these in your refrigerator. They're going to last for up to 6 months. And you want to give them a good week before you start tasting them. But there you have it. Super easy. Super inexpensive. 2 jars in under 10 minutes of pickled banana peppers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.